traders have to become what I call is emotionally orientated. When we come to trading, we've got everything back to front, because when we come to trading, we come to win. And our focus is being right. We have to win. We have to win. And not only do we want to win, we want to make a lot of money. And I refer to those two, experiences for somebody is that person is emotionally disorientated, because once you know more about trading, you suddenly realize that our objective shouldn't be to win. Winning or a high accuracy rate is not that particularly important to be successful. And we shouldn't be hung up on trying to be right all the time. Where will the euro go? Where will the Dow Jones go? Where will the Nikkei go? Where will gold go? Where will oil go? We shouldn't be too worried about being right about that stuff. Instead, we should reorientate our emotional thoughts to not being right about trading, but in my opinion, our objective should be to manage our risk capital. That's the most important thing. Our objective should be to manage our risk capital, not to be right on the markets, not to win all of our trades.